This video is to help you with the activity with creating a pie chart using Excel. You're going to go into MyMathLab offline assignments and download the directions and this second link here that says analyzing data from a pie chart. The directions give you an overview of what this is about. This exercise utilizes Microsoft Excel to create a frequency table, perform calculations, and create a pie chart. Data is collected from a recent SAU excursion in viewing tree species, and data will then be analyzed. My directions say to open a new spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, create a frequency table as shown, and be sure to include the column titles. Okay, I'm going to be using this example that's in your directions to show you how to create a pie chart in Excel. So notice my title column here is favorite pizza topping for the first column, and for the second column it's number of students. Okay, I'm going to click in this first cell and type in my title. What I want you to notice here is that this column title is a lot longer than the width of the column. So if you hover your mouse between the A and B, left click the mouse and drag this over, then you can make that column wider. And I'm going to do a similar thing for my second column. Okay, now that I have those column widths like I want them, I can go ahead and type in the other information. Okay, now what I want to do is click inside this cell right below my list of numbers, and in the upper right corner in my ribbon bar, I'm going to click on Auto Sum and notice that these numbers are highlighted. Press Enter and it should give me my total. Just a reminder that this is just an example of how to create a pie chart in Excel. This is not the data that you are going to be using in your project. I'm going to select the names of the different pizza toppings and the number of students who like that pizza topping. Notice that I do not have my column titles selected and I do not have the total selected. The upper left-hand corner of your ribbon bar, click Insert, Chart, Pie Chart. And what you'll notice here is that I have a pie chart that's created, but I don't have exactly what I'm asked for in my directions. So first of all, I need to give this a title. You notice when I started typing that title, I now have different options up at the top on how I can format or design my chart. So what I want to do is to select this option that will give me a percentage for each of the pizza toppings. One thing I do want you to be sure that you have in your chart is percentages, and you have a key either down below the chart or over to the right of the chart. And you can see that pepperoni is my dark blue section, ham is my orange section, and so on. Now that I have this Excel chart complete, I can save this, and be sure that when you save it with your name and the name of the file. But don't close this out yet, because you're going to need this data that you have in order to answer the questions from your second file that you downloaded. So this Word document that you've downloaded, be sure you click Enable Editing up at the top of the screen, and then you're going to type in your answers here. Save this, and again include your name and the name of the file. Save this and upload both this file and the Excel file into the Document Sharing Center in MyMathLab.